Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pay on Amazon with gift card. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to pay on Amazon with gift card. First, just go to Amazon and after that, just select what you want to buy. Just you can type on the search bar or for example here in this site. Okay, for example, this one. If I want to buy this one, okay, here is the price. After that, click add to cart or buy now. Okay, add to cart, and after that, you see here process to check out. Just click on it. Okay, and after that, just scroll down and you see here paying with Visa, and here select payment plan, and here use gift card, voucher or promo code. Just click use a gift card. Okay, after that just scroll down and you will see here enter a gift card, voucher or promotional code. Just enter here the code. After that, click apply and it will be applied to this purchase. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to pay on Amazon with gift card. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.